All right, I'm Chef Jeremiah, and today in our cooking demonstration, we're going to do crab stuffed grouper. We also have our Charleston Parisian rice, and we're going to do some roasted asparagus as well. So first we'll prepare the grouper. What I've done here is we've got one of our blue ocean crab cakes and 2 nice pieces of black grouper. We'll cut a pocket down into our grouper. Crab cake goes right in half. Stuff it right down in there. We've got a little thinner piece of grouper. One of the questions I often get at the market is, how do I stuff a thinner piece, or can I? Absolutely. We've got a tail piece and a nice thick piece. Everything needs seasoned. Nice little bit of salt and pepper. And we'll put that onto a sprayed pan. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the grouper in a 450 degree oven. Then we will season our asparagus, a little extra virgin olive oil. Some more of that wonderful lemon sea salt and pepper. A little parsley. A little fresh basil. And those will go in for about 8 to 11 minutes, depending on your oven. Okay, so we're gonna make our Sauvignon Blanc and whole grain mustard cream sauce for our crab stuffed grouper. First, we'll start with some nice diced shallot. And we're just gonna soften that up in the pan just a little bit. Once that shallot has sweated down a little bit, we'll deglaze with the Sauvignon Blanc. A little whole grain mustard. And we'll let that cook till it gets almost dry, but not quite. Now that we're nice and dry, fresh herbs, lots of fresh basil will go good with this dish. A little bit of parsley. A touch of that lemon sea salt and pepper. And then right around a cup of heavy whipping cream. And the cream will help naturally thicken the sauce, and you'll be ready to put it on your grouper. All right, the grouper's about ready. Let's see how it looks. There we go, perfect. Perfect. So, we've done some of our wonderful Hilton Head Parisian rice. We do sell this in the shop. And I've got some of that made up. It's got some nice almonds, beef stock, beautiful flavor on the rice. Nice piece of grouper, right there, and a few asparagus. Go ahead and give it a little sauce. Some of that wonderful Sauvignon Blanc cream right over the top of the grouper there. Pinch of Old Bay. A little parsley, and the sweetness of the grouper and the crab will really come out of that with the wine and the cream. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and try that at the house. You'll love it. Thanks.